Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an easy high-end candle holder duo. So what you're going to need some of this gold floral diamond wrap. It is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need one pack of these round tea light holders. If you cannot find these round tea light holders at Dollar Tree, you can use whatever shade they have in stock. You will need one pack of the silver napkin rings, and you will need 2 of these chrome finish tea light holders. Now I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. And I did want to mention the diamond wrap, floral diamond wrap that I'm using is silver diamond wrap that I have spray painted gold, but Efavormart does have the gold floral diamond wrap. I just didn't have any left in my stash. Okay, so let's get started.